Malacanang says President Bongbong Marcos's go signal for Vice President Sara Duterte's tax records to be released to the Senate Impeachment Court was not politically motivated. The Bureau of Internal Revenue submitted Duterte's records to the Office of the Clerk of Court on Thursday morning, July 30. Included in the submitted documents are tax records of Duterte, her husband Mans Carpio, and other businesses allegedly linked to the couple. In a briefing later Thursday, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says Marcos's approval complies with the law.
Kung ano ang sinasabi ng batas, kung ano ang proseso, susunod po ang Pangulo. So kung yan ang sinasabi po at kinakailangan na magbigay siya ng kanyang approval sa BIR para mabuksan ang tax records nila VP Sara at ni Atty. Mans Carpio, at ito naman ay para sa katotohanan. Hindi niya po ipagkakait ang katotohanan sa ating mga kababayan.
Castro acknowledges that Marcos's approval could set a precedent. She says it could allow future presidents facing impeachment to block the release of their own tax records. However, she maintains that Marcos's decision was intended to help uncover the truth surrounding Duterte's impeachment trial. She also hits back at allegations that the president's move was politically motivated.
Sa lahat naman ng pagkakataon, kapag ang Pangulo ay gumagawa ng naaayon sa batas pero merong tinatamaan, laging sasabihin nila, politically motivated. So saan pupunta? Saan gagawi ang Pangulo? Kahit ano pang sabihin ng iba. Basta ang alam ng Pangulo, siya ay tumutupad sa proseso, siya ay tumutupad sa batas, kahit siya pa ay paringgan o bigyan ng negatibong impresyon, hindi matitinag ang Pangulo.